it's your girl Olive back at it again with another video. Guys, you're watching my video right now and then you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any video I'll be uploading. So guys, in today's video I'm going to give you all two methods you can use to stretch your hair. If you're scared of using heat on your hair like me, I'm really scared. I don't want to damage my hair until I make a research and know what to use for my hair. But for now, I'm showing you all how I'm going to stretch my hair because I want to prepare my hair for braid. So let me just show you guys how I plan to stretch my hair and all that. This is the first time I'm trying it, so I decided to just do it with you all. When it comes to taking care of my natural hair, I am that lazy natural girly that does not like taking care of her hair. Please don't be like me. Don't be like me, okay? Now let me show you all. I think I'll use this one. My hair is twisted up already. Let me use this. The first method I'll be using the braiding method. So these are my hair looks. So let's see if I can stretch it. Let's see if I can, stretch it with the braiding method. So I've brushed it out. Now if you want to do this, yeah, I think you don't need to be too tight so you don't cause yourself any headache or anything.
I'm done taking down this and I'm about to braid it.
I'm done. Now the second method is the banding method. Let's go with this. Now I've combed out the hair. I'll be using these. So this is the banding method and this is the braid method. Now I want to see the one I'm going to work with, either the braiding or the banding, but this will consume more of hair bands, while this is just to braid it up. But now let's see the one I'll be working with, because I feel this one is more stretched. You get, like, it's showing the real length of my hair, whereas this is not giving that. Okay, let me take it down already. Okay, this is it. This is the braiding. I just took it down for the sake of this video. I'm supposed to take it down the next day, but for the sake of the video, let's see if it did anything. Okay. You can see the straight. I don't know if you all can see it. Now let's move over to this one. So guys, if I'm to compare between the braid and the banding method, I'll choose the banding method because one is super easy to take out more than the braid. Because if you can watch closely, I was struggling to take down this one, while this one was so easy for me to take out. So I prefer the banding method, to this one, which is the braiding method. So between these two, I'll be working with, and I think this is more stretched. This banding method stretched my hair more than the braiding method. So I don't know. I'll be working with this one, and that is it for today's video. So guys, I don't know which method you'll be trying out. You can tell me in the comment section if you'll be using the banding method or the braid method to stretch out your hair. And also tell me if this video was helpful to you. See you guys on the next one. Bye.